Well, didn't get up too much yesterday. After I went to the beach yesterday morning, I was wore out. So I ended up sleeping most of the afternoon, and then screwed up my sleep schedule. So didn't get much done, and today probably gonna be a lazy day. Alright, got out of the intersection. It was so loud over there, I couldn't hear myself think anymore. But Sunday, probably not gonna be up too much today. Hopefully I'll get a video edited and uploaded. That'd be nice. Try to do more of that. Alright. As y'all know, my videos are kind of shaky. Just say bear with me until I get a new gimbal. I've been looking for one here in Mexico, but if I find one, what I'm looking for, it's used and they want more than it costs to buy a brand new one. I don't understand it, and I'm not about wasting money like that, so I'll probably just order one on Amazon, pick it up on my way home. Well, on my way to the Philippines. I'm going home for a few days, and I'll get one then, so just bear with my little shaky videos until then. I try to keep them as steady as possible, but it's not that good. I walk, I move, they shake. And I've tried to fix it in the editing, but it just makes the video worse. So just please bear with me until I get a new gimbal. A couple of months, I think. Yeah, a couple months, and I should have a new one. Well, it's been raining for a few hours now. Maybe 2 hours. Good thunderstorm. I'm wondering if it was even gonna stop. Go out and get me some food. But it's quite nice here. After the rain, nice gray, cloudy. That's what I like. After the rain, it's like 7 o'clock, almost 7. Supposed to be a burger joint down here around the corner. Look fairly good. I'll go check it out. I think I just got water in my shoe. Man. Well, I made it to the burger place, ordered. I got a double cheeseburger, bacon, and it comes with fries and a fresca for the drink. They brought out the condiments. So I got some jalapenos and some pickles, ketchup, mustard, mayo, some other stuff back there, hot sauce, maybe some Maggi seasoning, and a glass bottle fresca. Yeah. And look at that burger. Fries, straw. Cheeseburgers and jalapeno on top. Oh, this is gonna be good. I know it. Can't wait. That is a beautiful looking burger. Can't wait to chow into it. I know I'm in Mexico. I should be eating tacos, but I gotta switch it up because eating tacos every day is not as fun as you think it is. I don't normally record like this, but I wanted to get a bite of this jalapeno on camera. Jalapeno, my favorite pepper. Oh, that was a bit spicy. Delicious though. Alright, got me some little mayo, ketchup, ketchup, added some pickles to it. Oh man, that jalapeno is fucking good. I'm gonna cut a piece of it off. Put it on there. But yeah, they didn't even know me any kind of well. You know, I like jalapenos. They're not incredibly spicy to me. This one is though. But I love the flavor of them. They got great flavor for jalapenos. I'm starting to come around on serranos, but it's been taking me a while. Oh man, I'm gonna enjoy this burger and I'll get back to y'all later. Well, this burger won. I couldn't finish it. Normally around here in Mexico, anywhere I go, burgers are not real big, so I always ask for a double burger. And it's just right usually. But this one got the double and it won. It hurt me. I can't finish it. Oh, it's got me sweating even more than normal. I gave it a run for its money, but it still beat me. Got a little over half of it ate. But now I'm so stuffed. I'm done. Game over. Throw in the towel. Well, on my way back to the hostel now. Stopped in the OXXO and get me something to drink for the night. Felt like I was in a country town in there. I was wanting the Arizona green teas or something. They didn't have none of that, but they sure do got Boone's Farm in the chiller. I felt like I was in a small country town. Almost reminded me of home, except for, well, yeah, we do have alcohol back home now, so it kind of does remind me of home then. But I thought it was funny. I laughed at myself. I said, I can't get Arizona green tea, but I can get a bottle of Boone's Farm.